So I have these sunglasses on, I can barely see my screen. Yeah, that's where I was, way up there where the antenna is on top of a hill, perched on top of the world. Well, this area anyway.
Perched on top of yourself. Or this is Windsor already.
Yeah, on top of Windsor. It's nothing like Mount Everest. It's not very hilly around this area. It's pretty flat actually. If you go to Burlington and the Golden Triangle, Toronto and Kitchener, it's pretty hilly there. Niagara, that's pretty hilly. And you like hills, rolling hills and valleys. You're thinking moving there. Or up north somewhere. Don't know. Guess we gotta check the places out and see what we're gonna like. What we're gonna like. The area. The thing is doing online marketing. As long as you have internet access, you can work from anywhere once you have it established online. So that's gonna be the ultimate, maybe 5 years. Then you can choose where we want to live. How would you like to live wherever you could, if money, work, and all the other things were not an subject? Or what would it be like if you could do anything you want, anything you like traveling, just walking mostly, and your checks are coming in from multiple sources? That'd be cool, eh? Well, you can do it. It takes time. You have to be dedicated, committed to long term. Okay, it's not overnight kind of thing. I've been doing it for a year, and I'm not giving up until I can replace my current income and beyond. My goal is to earn in 1 month what it took me 5 years working. So that's a pretty hefty goal, and gets me excited. It gives me something to work towards. Okay, I mean, when you think about it, if you work for 30 years, you made a million or two. Okay, all depends what you do or where in the world you are. But can you imagine you can do more in 1 year once you're established online? You have an online empire. You can do more in a year than you did in your lifetime. Wow. And what does it mean to you? Well, money is not going to make you happy. Okay, it's going to make you comfortable. It's going to give you the ability to do what you like doing, helping where you like to help, building churches, hospitals in remote places, schools, helping wherever you want. But more importantly, I want to teach this to people, that you can be better than you think you can. You can do things that you never thought of that you could do. You just gotta persevere. You gotta educate yourself, become aware of what you can do. Okay, so we're coming back to this long trail. You know where we are right now.
Yeah, we just kept walking where those people are walking.
So you can do all that. You can be all, well, you can be the best you can be, and don't limit yourself. Anybody can accomplish anything they set their mind and heart to. Don't think limits. And as I said, invest in yourself, in your mind. That's the only thing you get to keep.